Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, we are going to talk about certain points which made us attracted to Korea. Like to begin with, K-drama and K-pop are not just the thing that made us attracted
Attracts
towards
us.
Korea, but today we are going to share some of the other points which really made us interested to know more about Korea. So, starting with their culture, how rich their culture is, and how rich our culture is. And there are some similarities which made us more curious about knowing their culture, like how our culture is, like where we also have a very strong values and we respect our elders and we have that family culture, like we give importance to family bonding, so which is also very similar to what we see in Korea, how even they give a lot of importance to living together and
As a family, yeah.
yeah, and giving respect to their parents as well, staying connected basically. So
Very close to the family more,
yeah,
being more attached and obviously respecting even
elders.
their opinions. If we are taking any major decision, respecting theirs as well, their opinions as well, and inculcating that into whatever we are going to take the decision, the major one, is something which is similar and that got us attracted.
And also, talking about the festivals, Korea also have some of the festival which are quite similar to Indian festivals.
For example, it is Boyong Mud Festival, which is similar, kind of similar to Holi, where everyone meets and plays with colors. This grows our bonding, and there it is with mud. And here we use color, water, whatever. But basically, it is fun. We enjoy and we meet. This is how we like have bonding with many near and dear ones.
Exactly.
And also, I'll talk about language as well. There are certain words which are common or similar, like sounding similar in Tamil, which is one of our languages in the south of India, and Korean Hangul. So there are a lot of similar pronunciation in that, which is something very interesting. And also, there is a part of history wherein an Indian princess was married to one of the kings of South Korea. So this is how we think we are somewhat connected to Korea.
Yeah, like having same ground of values we have like in Korea and in India. So there are a lot of similarities which are making us connected to Korea. That is why I guess we feel a lot of more interested to know about Korea as a whole. Other thing that made us attracted to Korea is their technology. Whoa, like talking about technology, you cannot miss out Samsung, like which is one of the biggest brand even in India. Like how innovative they have, like talking about technologies, the innovations they have in Korea is really like jaw dropping at times. Aneha had seen one video where you can actually order your maybe grocery or something like that from the subway station, and that reaches to your doorstep till the time you reach home. Isn't
Wow, that
that
is
so
a lot
interesting?
faster.
Yeah,
Lot.
exactly.
Yeah, similarly, the internet is the fastest, which the research which I've done is like they have the fastest internet in the whole world. Like, whoa, that technological development, they develop so much. And that is very interesting and curious. Also, there are a lot of car companies like Hyundai, Kia Motors, they have their cars in India as well. So whenever I see an Hyundai car or a Kia car, I just tell my parents, see, that is what is made in Korea, or that is a Korean brand. So like this is something which is which interests me, and like this is how I remember. Like, yeah, these companies are from South Korea. Like they are from Korea. And this is how we distinguish them from different other companies or brands as well. And Samsung has the majority of market share in talking in terms of phone.
Yeah. In
And
India, I don't think so. There's any person who has not used Samsung in
no,
their
Samsung
lifetime.
phone. Yes, I have used it.
Even I
Yes,
have. My first phone was of Samsung.
mine too. So yes, Samsung and all these brands are them bringing more new technological innovation to the world. So yes, this makes us more curious about what Korea could offer us.
Yeah.
Next topic which I like to bring is Korean tourism. In Korean tourism, there are a lot of different places, beautiful places to visit in Korea, and I feel most talked about or most attractive, I would say, to the eyes is cherry blossom. Cherry blossoms are so pretty, like the pink petals and flowers everywhere around Korea. It looks so beautiful, eye pleasing, and mesmerizing. And I wish we could experience that going there. It's very. We have seen some Korean dramas, and we'd like to experience that there as well. It
Yeah.
would be another different
We'll plan
experience
our trip
altogether.
when it is Cherry Blossom Festival there.
It'll be amazing. Everywhere, pink everywhere.
That would be fun. And there are also lots of beautiful spots like Jeju Island, Nami Island, even Busan, which are really very beautiful places to visit once in your lifetime.
You need to go visit there. It'll
Exactly.
be an interesting experience altogether. And
Definitely.
also, I like to visit some K-pop, K-drama themed cafes as well. The cafes are so
Oh
beautiful.
man.
The,
How can
the
I
theme
forget?
cafes. I want to visit BTS theme cafe and also visit Stray Kids theme cafe. It'll be such a bliss.
I swear. Even like the different theme cafes, they have the comic cafe and some
Cat cafe, dog cafe, where you can all obviously play with dogs and cats there roaming around. It'll be so much interesting to experience that. As a dog lover, I would really like to visit. It'll be an amazing.
yeah, there are very different theme cafes which are really attractive and unique in their own. So I would really love to visit those cafes if I ever, get a chance to visit Korea.
Which attract us to Korea as well. Like we need to. And there is also library which is so big and it is very unique. We'll put the photo here, and it is something which attracted me, and I would really like to visit it. And also Lotte duty free world and various amusement parks as well. Or also
And
gaming zones there.
gaming zones, I know even I would love to play games there. I would like to
Yeah,
experience playing games.
it'll
I
be
would.
very much fun.
Yeah, I swear it would be so beautiful. Like even I would love to visit Han River and have some
Yeah,
activities.
cycling at Han River, chilling at Han River, everything.
They're already there, I guess, mentally.
I feel. See, we have a very big bucket list to do there, visit so many places, experience having different types of experiences. And
Exactly.
it is
So one more thing that attracts us towards Korea is their food. And we to know how it actually tastes, like the way we have seen it in the videos, we actually tried visiting a Korean restaurant in Mumbai where they offered Korean food. And the ambience was also really beautiful.
amazing. Yeah.
Exactly. And
We could feel the vibes that like basically we're eating in a Korean restaurant in Korea. It had that vibe around us, and we really enjoyed eating the Korean food. And though we are vegetarian, but we had vegetarian options as well. And there are different vegetarian options in Korean cuisines like bibimbap. Then we can have hot dog. So
yeah.
yes,
And if you guys want to check out that restaurant, we'll put the link of that video somewhere above. So you can check out our experience visiting that Korean restaurant. Yeah, and we had ordered ramyeon and cheesy gimbap and jajangmyeon.
And jajangmyeon.
Yeah, which were really very delicious.
Last but not the least, K-pop and K-drama, basically the entertainment industry. K-pop and K-drama rose to a lot of prominence because of BTS and Blackpink, but basically because of BTS, Psy, Blackpink, they are world-renowned artists and which are drawing a lot of tourists and a lot of fans all around the world because they have a package. K-pop idols, the artists have a package. Like you can find one idol having different qualities. Like they can act, they can sing, they can dance, and their performances.
They're a full, complete performers, I guess.
Package.
Yeah.
Like we can see them singing along with dancing in the performance, which is very delightful to watch, which we have not experienced anywhere in India, I would say, because our industry works totally different. So that is something which really grabbed my attention because it is like they work so hard, and that hard work literally we could see that coming to fruit in their performances, and it is very delightful to watch. And yes, I really want to attend one of the BTS concerts. That is one of my biggest dreams. I would say our biggest dreams. It is one of our biggest dreams, and we want to
already started saving for that thing, you know.
We had already, I guess, around a long time back. We had
a plan to visit.
We also had a plan, but this pandemic happened and all our plans got to dust. But now, as the cases are decreasing, and I hope they conduct a concert like in our country as well, in India also, if they come, we'll be prepared. I am really curious. I have been their fan like since a long time, and also not theirs. There's so many other K-pop idols as well, K-pop bands as well, soloists as well, which I've been listening to after I was introduced to K-pop, and I've been loving them. So why not? And that's why I have an album, and I plan to bring like buy different albums as well. So yes, and as for K-dramas, I would say that it is so different from our Indian daily soap.
I swear. You know, like the thing that attracts me towards K-drama is because of their storyline and the way they execute the story. The way they direct. Yeah, exactly. That is something which, you know, actually made us
attracts us, yes. And also they are so finite episodes, like 16 episodes done, 20 episodes done. Like if they have second season, but they having finite episodes also attracted me to watch more and more other K-dramas as well, and their storyline is very crisp, and really it is something very different I got to watch and which attracted.
And like, you know, as many of you are also got interested into Korea because of K-drama and K-pop. So we are also one among them who actually started watching K-dramas and K-pop, which made ultimately us curious to know about Korea.
South Korea as a whole.
As a whole, yeah. So like as we started knowing more, it was more and more interesting, and how beautiful their culture, their values, and how advanced their technology and everything is there in Korea. So with this, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let us know in comment section what attracted you to Korea.
Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sarang in Korea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Annyeong.
Annyeong.